In today's class, we will be seeing about the Home tab's first group, that is Clipboard group. Let us open the Microsoft Word application first. So first click upon the Word application, it will get open. So here I have already, that is I have pre-opened the thing, that is I have opened already. You can see the document which I have opened. Now I am going to Home tab. Click upon the Home tab. Here you have different types of options like paste, cut, copy and all. Like if you want to select something, like if you want to copy something, here I am clicking upon, I am selecting this and I am going to Home tab and I am clicking upon the Home tab. Here I have copy option, cut option, paste option and format painter option. Now I am going to copy this from one place to the another place. So I am clicking upon the copy. So here you can see it has been copied and I am clicking upon this option like where I want to paste it. I am selecting there. Now you can see that I am selecting this place and I am pasting it over here. You can see here you can see the stock item which has been pasted. So I have pasted it here. You can see it like I am giving it as backspace. Like how you want your text to be, like where you want to copy it. You can copy it from one place to the another place. That is you can move it also. Like if you want this stock item here, like here you can see the two stock items. I don't want it here. I want only here. Now I am giving it backspace. As soon as I give the backspace, the stock item which was there has been erased. Now I want this. Now what I am doing is I'll cut this from here and I'll paste it there. So to make this, I'll use the Home tab. So I'm clicking upon Home tab. I'm using the cut option. So here you can see it is not here. I'm pasting it over here. I have cutted it and I'm pasting it here. I'll right click on the area where I want to paste it and I'm pasting it. So you can use this option, like you can use this Home tab's Clipboard group and you can paste like this. So however you want, you can make this. Like there is a keyboard shortcut key for copy and the keyboard shortcut key for copy is Control plus C. So keyboard shortcut key for keyboard shortcut key for copying is Control plus C. So I am giving it here Control plus C is equals to copy. Then to cut the text which you have selected, to do that the keyboard shortcut key is Control plus X is equal to cut. And if you want to paste it, the keyboard shortcut key for pasting is Control plus V is equals to paste. So using these keyboard shortcut keys, you can do these things. Then here, let us see about this format painting. So if you want this stock item, so I'm typing here, like I'll take a text box. I'm typing stock item here. If you want the same format, like here we have a format. If you want that same format to be included here also, then you can use this format painter. Like whatever you have given, that same format will be copied from one text to the another text. So to make this format painter is very helpful. Let us see how to do that. Go for Home tab. So before that, select the text font type which you want. So here itself you have the formatting. We will go to Home tab. You can go for Home tab and you can click upon this format painter. So as soon as you click upon here, the format painter will be activated. So here you can see I am clicking upon this. Here also this I have clicked upon only upon the stock. Here you can see the same formatting has been applied. So by using these things, you can work with this home tabs clipboard group, and you have a drop down arrow key. So here, if you click it here as the thing, which the thing is, this is known as clipboard dialog box. So here you can see the items which you have pasted, copied and all. Like here you can see, if you want to clear all those things, then you can click upon clear all also. Like previously performed action will be there. Then if you want to paste something, like if you want to copy and paste something, that can be done here also. So here you can see, like whatever you copy, that will be visible here. So by using these things, if you want to clear those things, clear all. Like these things can be utilized by going to home tabs for clipboard group. So by using these steps, you can use all the options in this font tabs clipboard group. That is, you can use the paint option, you can use the paste option, you can use the cut option, you can use the copy option. Also you can use the format painter, that is to format things. Paste is used to paste the text which you have copied or cut it. Cut is used to move our text from one position to, that is from one place you can remove it and you can move it to the other place and paste it somewhere. And copy is used to make a copy of the same text or the object which you select. Then we have the format painter. This is used to format the same, that is whatever the format you have, to copy that same format to another text, this format painter is used. And the clipboard group is used to make, like whatever the thing you have copied, those can be cleared, and if you want to paste those things, you can paste it. These things are available in home tabs clipboard group. By using these steps, you can use this home tabs clipboard group. Thank you.